300 videos ago, the Pouting Pooch began as a simple way to share silly moments of Sadie with friends and family. Sadie is 7 now. She has sweet eyes, a little sass, and she provides endless love and laughter. Then came the big change, adopting a puppy from Puerto Rico. Here's the conversation I had with Sadie about her new sister's arrival.
Did you know that your sister is going to be here in 2 days? You're going to have to share your love with your mama and your daddy, and you're going to have to share your toys, and you're going to have to share your food.
Hazel arrived earlier this year at just 2 months old. She's funny, stubborn, and full of heart. She won us over before she even landed, but the head tilts, clumsy paws, and puppy chaos sealed the deal. Sadie couldn't resist. It wasn't easy, but Hazel's persistence paid off. We make jokes that Sadie is our dog and Hazel is Sadie's dog. If Hazel had to choose between us and Sadie, Sadie would win every time. So the Pouting Pooch became the Pouting Pooches. Now they're inseparable, playing together almost every day, all day, and they're best friends for life.